Hi, welcome back. So today we will see how you can enable Group Policy Editor or gpedit in your Windows 10 and 11. So as you can see, when we try to run the Group Policy Editor, it shows an error or sometimes nothing. So to solve this issue, just follow my video step by step. So to enable it, search and open Notepad. Now copy and paste the code which I have posted in description. Now save the file in desktop and name it whatever you like. Just put .bat format to save it as batch file and close the notepad. Now right-click on newly created batch file and click Run as Administrator and close it. Now restart your PC and now run Window and type gpedit.msc. And as you can see, it is working and not showing any kind of error. If you had any problem or doubt, you can put them in comment section. Thanks for watching.